Welcome to the introduction of Hridaya Mudra, also known as Heart Mudra. This mudra diverts the flow of prana from your hands to the heart area, improving the vitality of the heart. The middle and ring fingers relate directly to nadis connected with the heart, while the thumb closes the pranic circuit and acts as an energizer, diverting the flow of prana from your hands to these nadis. Hridaya Mudra is therefore beneficial for the heart. It is very simple and it can be used safely and easily, even in the acute situations, making it perfect mudra for Metta Bhavana meditation. However, you can take this mudra in any of the meditation practices, especially Metta Bhavana, loving kindness, self-love or forgiveness meditation practices. You know, the heart is the center of emotions, and Hridaya Mudra helps to release pent-up emotions and unburden the heart. It can be practiced during emotional conflicts and crises as well. Now, I'll tell you how to practice Hridaya Mudra. Place the tips of the index fingers at the root of your thumbs, as you do in Chin Mudra, and join the tips of the middle and ring fingers to the tips of your thumbs. The little fingers remain straight. Place both your hands on the knees and the palms facing upwards. Close your eyes and relax the whole body, keeping it motionless. Your physical awareness will be on breath in the chest area, and your spiritual awareness will be on your Anahata Chakra, your heart chakra, which is green in color.